Discover the quality formula. Performance is not a matter of chance, it's a matter of choice. With the right tools and knowledge, you can succeed and remain at the forefront of your game. With a clear vision and excellent support, you can be ahead of the competition and stay there. The most critical success factor is the team you choose. Join the best team. Join Sekurit Partner, your quality assurance in automotive glazing. Consider these 5 reasons to join Sekurit Partner. By choosing world-leading products, you lay the foundation for sustainable performance. However, you need to think beyond that. In our ever-changing world, the complexity of automotive glazing is only just beginning. As a Sekurit Partner, you can be part of its future. With the right skill set and knowledge, you can succeed. Sekurit Partner offers you a complete package of practical tools and services that enable you to deliver excellence throughout the entire customer journey. To remain at the forefront of automotive glazing, you need a team of experts in place. As a Sekurit Partner, you will get access to the Sekurit Academy, where you'll be trained to handle all the latest equipment and technology. And to support you on a daily basis, you'll get access to our fitting instruction videos in our very own interactive knowledge center, Club Autover. In addition to technical competencies, Sekurit Partner empowers you with a clear vision and supports you at every step. From a dedicated website, posters and documentation, to workshop tools and real-time customer satisfaction surveys, everything you need to provide customer service excellence. Quality is a team effort. Make the right choice. Join the best team. Join Sekurit Partner. Sekurit Partner, your quality assurance in automotive glazing.